I have a really cool trick for transforming your apple into an edible cup for cider.
Oh, nice. I love that.
Yeah.
That's so clever.
All you're going to do is turn the apple on its side and then just cut off the top. And then using your little paring knife, you're going to make a rim for your cup, just about a 1/4 inch. Give yourself a 1/4 inch around the edge. Go all the way around. And then you don't have to go very deep on that. And then just take a melon baller and then just start scooping it out. And once you've scooped out enough of the center to create a cup, you have this gorgeous edible cup. So you can pour in your cider, throw in maybe a little cinnamon stick, and this can be hot or cold cider. And then when you're done drinking it, just bite right into it.
I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite holiday recipes, apple spice mini muffins.
Here are the simple ingredients. We've got chickpea and almond flours, baking powder, baking soda, and sea salt, apple pie spice, but you can also use pumpkin pie spice, pure maple syrup, extra virgin olive oil for healthy fat and moisture, vanilla extract, and then 1 minced apple.
What we're going to do first is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which I've already done. Then in a large bowl, we're going to combine all of our dry ingredients. Almond flour, chickpea flour, our apple pie spice, baking soda and baking powder, and then our sea salt. So you're just going to mix all that up with a fork till it's combined pretty well. Now, in a food processor, we're going to combine all of the wet ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, maple syrup for that fall flavor and sweetness, vanilla extract, and then we're going to add half of the apple.
This is going to give more moisture to the recipe and a little bit of texture as well, and of course that golden color.
We're going to blend that until it's pretty well smooth.
You want it to look like almost like an applesauce. So that's the texture I've got here.
Next, we're going to combine the wet ingredients with the
dry ingredients. I love how simple this recipe is. It's pretty quick, and you can even have the kids help you with it as well.
We're going to add in the rest of the minced apple.
We just want to grab our paper-lined mini muffin tin, and we're going to fill these as evenly as we can.
I love the texture contrast between the fluffy mini muffins and the baked chunks of apple inside.
All right, let's pop these in.
And here they are. They smell so good. I'm ready to dig in.